Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we diving into something super exciting, affiliate marketing programs. Whether you looking to make some extra cash on the side or you dreaming of a full-blown online business, affiliate marketing could be your golden ticket. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? In simple terms, it's when you promote someone else's product, and every time someone makes a purchase through your unique link, cha-ching, you earn a commission. Here's how it works. First, you sign up for an affiliate program. Next, you get a special link to promote their product. Every time someone buys through that link, you get a piece of the action. No need to create your own products, deal with inventory, or even handle customer service. It's a win-win. You might have seen influencers or bloggers casually recommending products they love. Well, chances are, they reusing affiliate links. The great part? So, how do you get started? Step 1. Find the right affiliate programs. Some of the most popular networks are Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and Rakuten. But there are programs for just about any niche, from tech and fitness to fashion and finance. Step 2. Create content. Whether it's a blog post, YouTube video, or even social media post, your job is to provide value and explain why the product you promoting is worth checking out. Think product reviews, tutorials, and even comparisons. Just make sure you authentic. People can tell when you genuinely recommending something versus just trying to make a quick buck. Alright, here are some tips to crush it with affiliate marketing. 1. Pick products you truly believe in. If you wouldn't use it yourself, don't promote it. 2. Disclose your affiliate links. Being transparent builds trust with your audience. 3. Focus on evergreen content. That way, your content keeps bringing in clicks and commissions long after you've posted it. 4. Build relationships with your audience. Trust is everything in affiliate marketing. Now, the big question, how much can you actually earn with affiliate marketing? Well, that depends on your audience size, the products you promote, and how effectively you market them. Some affiliates earn a few bucks here and there, while others make 6 or even 7 figures. Take it from these top affiliates, consistency, patience, and strategic promotion can pay off big time. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make passive income, but like any business, it takes time and effort to succeed. So, whether you just dipping your toes into the world of affiliate marketing or you looking to level up your game, now's the time to start. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips on making money online. And if you want a step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing success, check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.